Hey there, tech enthusiast. This is Saf here from Cool Saf TV. Welcome back to my channel. But before I jump into details, after the video, if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like my video, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. It's free to subscribe for you, but it means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm going to be unboxing the latest from OnePlus, the OnePlus Open, the first foldable phone from OnePlus. And when you do a pre-order, or as OnePlus calls it as an early bird offer, so if you do that, you get 3 extra things along with the phone. The first being the 80 watts Super Whoop charger, the UK adapter if you are in UK. And also along with that, you also get the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, which is absolutely free. And the third item which you get is not physically an item, you get about £250 worth of discount. So altogether, you get the free Buds Pro, you get the UK power adapter, and along with that, on top of that, £250 worth of voucher when you purchase the OnePlus Open as an early bird offer. Now let's go ahead and unbox the phone. But before we unlock the phone has a 16 gig of RAM along with a 512 GB of storage, and it comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Let's open it up. So when we open up the phone, you are greeted with the phone in an unfolded form. So let's keep it aside for a moment, and we get it on top of the tray. Let's put that aside at the moment as well. And what we have in the box, we have got the normal charger, which actually comes with the box, which is still a 67 watts Super Whoop charger. But for UK, you get this one, which is a fast charger, which is 80 watts Super Whoop charger. And along with that is this particular box over here. Let's see what this one contains. Let's open up what's in this pack. So this pack has got the case, both the front and the back. And also what comes inside the box is you get the trademark OnePlus charger, which is red color and which is a USB Type A to USB Type C. And then you get the manuals, which I'm pretty sure nobody reads. And you get some nice stickers. I think this is exactly like what Apple does. Like Apple has got the Apple stickers. OnePlus also has got the OnePlus stickers, which is actually a nice addition. And along with that, you also get the SIM tray. You also get the SIM ejector tool and some papers. And there you go. You also get the Red Cable Club membership card. And also you get the welcome letter from the CEO. And that's about it. That's what you normally get with that. So let's put that aside. Let's check out the cases over here. This is the back cover. It's actually a nice feeling case, nice and soft to the touch. It's kind of got a leather kind of finish, but obviously it's not a leather. It's called a Fox leather, but it just gives you a nice soft touch. It's definitely not a cheap one in any means, and it definitely gives you that kind of protection covering the phone. And yeah, one good thing is it's also got the front protection as well. Now that is what I call proper unboxing. You get everything in the box. You got the cases, you got the charger, you got pretty much got everything you want to start up for the phone. And now let's go by unboxing the actual star of the show, which is the actual phone itself. So here we go. Really like opening it up. So nice. And what do we have here? So this one comes the green color variant, and if you can actually see, the fold is not very deep as what you see in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Pixel Fold. So it's actually got a nice aluminum framing, and also the back is a frosted glass back. So nice kind of a satin kind of finish. It's definitely not a fingerprint magnet. And if you see the front screen, it has got the front screen protection to that one, and also it's got the internal camera for selfies. It's got and the outside is kind of flat display. It's got a nice finish to the phone. It really feels nice to the touch, and you can actually see the hinges. Well, obviously any fold phone, the hinges are very important. The hinge feels really nice, and it completely folds flat without any gap whatsoever. Weight as well. It's got a big massive camera bump in the back. You can actually see with the ridges. Well, but obviously you cannot complain about the build quality. It feels really good, and got the USB Type C, the 2 speakers in the bottom and also got 2 speakers on top as well. And there you go. When you open it up, you still don't see very deep crease. Actually feels so nice, and also folds completely flat, which is a welcome addition when compared to when you're coming from Pixel Fold, where it never used to close flat. So when you fold it, folding mechanism is nice and smooth, so you get a nice closing sound as well, which is a very satisfying sound, and you can actually see it's well made. Really happy with that. So now that I've set up the phone, just wanted to give you my initial impression. As far as the setup was concerned, the setup was absolutely straightforward. Everything seemed to be working, and definitely the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor shows the strength over here. It's really quick, and yeah, as far as experience so far is concerned, I've been really happy, because obviously this is just my first impression. Setting it up, it's been very good. So obviously I will be going through its paces in the next 1 week or 2 weeks. I'm going to thoroughly test this phone through its paces, check its camera, check its speed, check its battery life, check its speakers, performance, everything, and I will be bringing it to you in my next video. So stay tuned till that one. If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And until next time, take care and stay safe. Thank you. Bye.